Hello! So guys, I'm so excited. This is actually me from the future post decorating, and I wanted to say that it went really well. I basically just helped my mom decorate the house in this video. We do not go and buy anything new, which is kind of a bummer because I was watching some decorating videos and a lot of people go and buy their new decorations. But we like to reuse decorations. We've been reusing decorations forever, so I can't really tell you guys where the stuff is from, but I hope you guys enjoy us decorating and putting stuff up and watching me struggle for sure. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let's just get right into it. Time to get the attic stuff down, but look how pretty it is outside. So all of these right here are gonna go inside, the rest are gonna go outside, but I think we're only doing the inside today because it's getting kind of dark, or it's about to get dark soon. So we're just gonna do the inside decorations, and basically it consists of the kitchen and the living room. We put stuff at the top of the mantle. Right now they're green for like that summer decoration, but we're gonna replace it with orange and, yeah, orange and greens and fall colors. Hi, it's day 2. Didn't mean for it to be day 2. After we got the stuff down, it just kind of got dark and we kind of just wanted to stop and take a break, which the break lasted a little bit longer than we would have liked it to. But my mom right now is really not in the mood to decorate, but I'm gonna try to convince her to. So hopefully we decorate today because this is like the only day we can do it. If I convince her to, then we'll be decorating right now. I'm getting the ladder from the basement, therefore she can't refuse. Oh my goodness, my baby. Basically, we're gonna replace these things, put something up here, and stuff up there. Mom kicked me off the ladder. She told me I wasn't good enough. No. She said, get off the ladder. I'm going to show you how a real woman does it.
Like throw it behind there, like I am doing right now.
Show me, Miss Perfect.
Stop it.
Good.
Yeah, turn it on.
Listen.
You can break it first if you want.
Oh, look at that. It's Halloween. I've refilmed this like 3 times, but we'll do it again if we have to. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys some stuff that I either got new this year or I'm reusing from last year. So we're just gonna start with the pumpkins that I got. I got these for 98 cents at Walmart and I thought it was kind of a steal. So I got these 2 gold ones, and then I got 2 white ones with gold accents. And I got an orange one. I wish I would have gotten another orange one so that it was even, but it's okay. We'll move on. Next, I got this candle from my sister. It's pumpkin apple, and I have used this already, but it's new to me this year. I also got 2 miniature candles from the Walmart brand Mainstays. This one's warm fall leaves, and this one's apple cider donuts, and they both smell really good. Now I'm going to show you what I'm reusing from last year. So I'm going to be reusing some candles. The first one is the Stars Hollow Fall Festival, and it's not used very much, but that's only because it doesn't smell very good. And it's supposed to smell like hot, fresh apple cider donuts with cinnamon and caramel, and I was like, yes, that smells so good. So I got it on Etsy because I just love the aesthetic, and I love Gilmore Girls, which is what this is from, and it just doesn't smell good, and I'm just sad. So I just set it as a little decoration item. Next, I have this pumpkin latte, and I've used quite a bit of it. I got this 3 or 4 years ago. I just haven't burnt through it yet. I also have this pumpkin chai latte. I'm pretty sure I got this from Urban Outfitters. It was like $15 for this little tiny thing. I bought it, so I mean, it couldn't have kept me away that long. Next, I have banana pumpkin from Better Homes and Gardens. I'm pretty sure I got this from Walmart. It smells really good. I just haven't really been burnt through it yet. I think I got it at the end of last year. I know the problem with some Walmart candles is they smell really good whenever you take off the lid, but they smell kind of burnt whenever you burn them throughout your room. My room is kind of hard to decorate for the different seasons. I feel like it's only for spring and summer because they're bright, happy colors, so it's kind of hard to decorate for winter and fall. So I'm just gonna throw some pumpkins around and hope for the best. We're done. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me and my mom putting our house together, making it look all seasonal and Halloween-y and spooky. So yeah, this is the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Bye.